MoCA Practice Test 2026 Montreal Cognitive Assessment, Full Course Attention Digits Letters. Question 1. In the forward digit span task, how many digits are in the longest string? 3, 4, 5, 6. The standard forward digit span string is 2, 1, 8, 5, 4, 5 digits. Question 2. In the backward digit span task, what is the correct sequence if the examiner says 7-4-2, 7-4-22-4-7, 4-7-22-7-4? The sequence must be repeated in reverse order. Question 3. What is the total possible score for the digit span tasks, forward and backward combined? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 point for correct forward, 5 digits, and 1 point for correct backward, 3 digits. Question 4. During the vigilance task, tapping on a, how many times is the letter a read? 5, 8. 11, 15. In the sequence of 30 letters, A occurs 11 times. Question 5. In the vigilance task, what is the maximum number of errors allowed to still receive 1 point? 0, 1, 2, 3. The patient receives 1 point if there are 0 or 1 errors. Question 6. What constitutes an error in the vigilance task? Not tapping on a. Tapping on a letter other than a. Both A and B. None of the above. Errors include both omissions, not tapping, and commissions, tapping on wrong letters. Question 7. In the serial 7's task, what is the starting number? 190. 80, 70. The patient is asked to count back by 7 starting from 100. Question 8. How many correct subtractions are required for a full score of 3 points in serial 7s? 2 or 3? 4 or 5? 5 or more? All 7? 4 or 5 correct subtractions award 3 points. Question 9. If a patient performs 2 or 3 correct subtractions in serial 7s, how many points do they get? 1, 2, 3, 0. 2 or 3 correct subtractions award 2 points. Question 10. In serial 7s, if a patient makes an error but the subsequent subtraction is correct from that wrong number, is the second one counted as correct? Yes. No. Depends on examiner. Half point. Each subtraction is evaluated independently based on the previous number stated. Question 11. Which cognitive function does the forward digit span primarily measure? Long-term memory. Attention/working memory. Executive function. Visuospatial. Digit spans are classic measures of attention and working memory. Question 12. What is the point value for getting only one subtraction correct in serial 7s? 0, 1, 2, 0.5. 1 correct subtraction earns 1 point. Question 13. The vigilance task list includes how many letters total? 20, 30, 40, 50. The examiner reads a list of 30 letters. Question 14. What is the speed at which digits should be read by the examiner? 2 digits per second. 1 digit per second. 1 digit every 2 seconds. As fast as possible. Digits are read at a rate of 1 per second. Question 15. If a patient taps 3 times on wrong letters in the vigilance task, their score is 0, 1, 2, 3. More than one error results in a score of 0 for this task. Question 16. The attention section of the MoCA has a maximum total score of how many points? 3, 5, 6, 10. Digit span, 2, plus vigilance, 1, plus serial 7s, 3, equals 6 points. Question 17. True or false, the examiner can repeat the digit sequence if the patient asks. True. False. Instructions state the digits should be read only once. Question 18. In the sequence FBACMNAAJKLBA, what should the patient do on the third letter? Do nothing. Tap the table. Say a. Write a. The patient is instructed to tap the table for every letter A. Question 19. Why is the backward digit span considered harder than the forward? It's longer. It requires manipulation of information, working memory. It uses letters too. It's faster. Backward span requires holding and manipulating information, a core feature of working memory. Question 20. If a patient says 93, 85, 78, 71, 64, how many subtractions are correct? 2, 3, 4, 5. 100-7 equals 93, C, 93-7 equals 86, I, 86-7 equals 79, I, 79-7 equals 72, I, 72-7 equals 65, I. Wait. Let's recheck. 100-7 equals 93, 1, 93-7 equals 86, 85 is wrong, 85-7 equals 78, correct from 85, 78-7 equals 71, correct from 78, 71-7 equals 64, correct from 71. Total 4 correct. So 3 points.